So I guess we got all kind of get the new blades, which are actually, let me go get one because I want to size them up just to compare. Just to compare them and see how much of a difference. Oh yeah, there's a big difference. Oh yeah, these were getting worn, not doing their job. I mean, look at that. That's about 3/4, not even 1/2 inch of an inch. But new blades will definitely help make this disc do its job a lot better. And there's the keepers in there. They got the grease fittings on them, so we just slap them on there. 4 of them, like that. And here's the nuts. I think we're short a nut. 3 nuts. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And then how many? Let's see. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 locks. So we don't have to weld any locks or do anything. That's what these are the locks. You just take a hammer and bend that little tab there down on both of them. You bend them out towards me when you get them on. So, yeah. Stay tuned, guys. Now, I don't know if this is just the way Kuwannee did their discs or if the John Deere completely different. I don't know if like the Kuwannee 1020s or the next size bigger and that. If they put grease fittings here on these pins, and there's no grease fittings here, which kind of, I'd like to see it take grease, because look how wore that is. That's wore. No grease. So, and there's no grease fitting anywhere up under here for the cylinder or anything like that. There's no grease fitting, so that's something I'd like to see, is a grease fitting. For this one, this top one, and for this back one back here, there's no grease fitting to grease these wings. These are what wear out the most because you're constantly going up and down with them. Every time you go to a field, you're folding and unfolding, and they just take so much abuse. Yeah, there's no grease fittings on this. Nope, no grease fittings. So, and you can definitely tell that that's wore. That's wore because there's no grease fitting. That's something I'd like to see changed on their discs. Again, up here, no grease fittings. That just really perturbs me, is they couldn't do their job and put grease fittings on these. So, and not to make anything any worse, this thing is nose heavy. I don't know if it's a manufacturer error or what, but it's nose heavy. Yeah, I don't know why that is. I was going to put this back together tomorrow, or at least start on it, but Dad wanted to get going with it tonight, so it is what it is.